splitting side to side.
Yeah, a wing pack by Mike Regala.
Oh, a wing pack by Mike Regala. Yeah, actually, people have been asking me about this.
Really?
So do you have enough memory and stuff?
Yeah. You want to
All
start
right.
over?
No, we can start anywhere.
All right.
A wing pack by Mike Regala. A lot of people have been asking me how I pack my wings. I pack them to be able to launch them, and so I'm just going to do it.
Okay.
There's a lot of tidying steps. I bring the whole leading edge together, but I bring it up first so that I'm not dragging it really across surfaces. Find the center cell, do your leading edge cells together as you would any concertina pack, working all the way to the fingertips. Good. I've separated lines from both sides, and I do that so that there's less likelihood of them tangling together.
Mm-hmm.
Go and get the center of the glider, and if you're like in wind or something, you can put a helmet, you can put your bag.
Your reserve.
Reserve right there. Get a little tighter. Grab the lines. Make sure they're all clear. Trailing edge. Try to do them as large as possible. Making sure that no bugs or sticky things can pierce your wing or there. And then this is the technique that the kids in Valle do. They do these they reach their whole arm under and they do flakes like that. And they just do these long arm flake things. So now I got one side. If it's windy, I actually like to secure this side. So what I'm gonna do.
Wait, let me get a picture of the, okay.
So I'm gonna take this whole thing and flip it over with its line set in that side.
Okay, so you got one side half done.
Okay. Still in the middle. Now you can use this to just put a little bit of weight, and you see it's got that leading edge.
Yeah.
Okay, bakers. Nobody wants a stodgy wing. You got to get those
this is
layers
like
right.
spaghetti.
Gotta get those
gathering
layers
of the
right.
Lines.
We're gonna want a creme pat. Okay, so same thing other side. Long, really try to get as much material as possible in that flake. Make sure the lines are in.
Oh yeah,
And
this is like a croissant.
this
then.
actually goes quite fast when you aren't also talking through it. Like you can beat the rain and you can beat someone who's chit-chatting.
Nice, look at that
All right.
flake.
So, we got some decent flakes. Gonna reach under, find that bottom. Little fold and tuck. All right, now we have, and I also use this opportunity, so John asked me about this, to push air out of the wing
Uh-huh.
and forward as we do this little fold and tuck.
Okay.
All right, so now, got my reserve in the middle. Got this. That's what I'm gonna call
That-
the taco.
Yeah, okay.
Got the leading edge. We're gonna take the whole leading edge. Everything, all together as one. Gonna remove this, and we're gonna put it inside the taco. And the reason we do this, so the leading edge is as straight as possible, no twists or anything. This little stuff the taco seems challenging, but then it all works out really nice and it's clean. And that's no concertina bag. You can do it in the wind. And we're done.
You done?
Yeah.
Wonderful.
That's it.
Great.
Filming.